Space is vast and full of wonders. The James Webb Space Telescope, like a giant powerful eye in space, has discovered something incredible. Imagine a place where stars are born, a stellar nursery. This nursery is a cloud of gas and dust, lit up by the brilliance of new stars. It's like a cosmic fireworks display, full of energy and the promise of new worlds. This discovery is very exciting for scientists because it gives us a glimpse into the earliest stages of planet formation. It's like finding a baby picture of our solar system. This stellar nursery is far away, but with the James Webb Telescope we can see it clearly. It's a place where clouds of gas and dust clump together under their own gravity. As more and more material is pulled in, the cloud gets denser and hotter. Eventually, the pressure and temperature at the center become so intense that nuclear fusion ignites. Boom! A star is born. Our own sun was formed in a similar way billions of years ago. But it doesn't stop there. The leftover gas and dust around a young star don't just disappear, they swirl and dance around the new star, like a cosmic waltz. Over time, tiny particles of dust stick together. They clump together like dust bunnies under your bed, only on a much grander scale. These clumps grow bigger and bigger, forming pebbles, then boulders, and eventually entire planets. It's amazing to think that everything in our solar system, the Earth, the Moon, even you and I, were once just tiny specks of dust floating in space. Section 4. From Pebbles to Planets, a Dance of Gravity. As these clumps of rock and ice grow larger, their gravitational pull gets stronger. They attract more and more material, pulling in gas and dust like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Sometimes these growing planets crash into each other, creating even bigger planets. It's a chaotic and violent process, but over millions of years, it can create a solar system like ours. The discovery of this stellar nursery allows scientists to study this process in action and learn more about how planets are formed. Section 5. A New Earth, the Search for Another Home. One of the most exciting things about this discovery is the possibility of finding another Earth. Could there be other planets out there, orbiting other stars that are similar to our own? Planets with liquid water, atmospheres, and maybe even life? The James Webb Telescope will be able to study the atmospheres of these distant planets, looking for signs of water vapor, oxygen, and other gases that might indicate the presence of life. Section 6. Eyes on the Universe, the Future of Planet Hunting with James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is a game-changer for astronomy. Its powerful instruments allow us to see farther and clearer than ever before. This discovery of a stellar nursery is just the beginning. In the years to come, the James Webb Telescope will continue to unlock the secrets of the universe, helping us to understand our place in the cosmos. Who knows what other wonders await us out there in the vast expanse of space? The James Webb Telescope will be our guide, leading us on a journey of discovery to worlds beyond our wildest imagination.